everybody, this is Anu. Welcome back to Treasury Crafts. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon and click all notification option so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. So today I'm going to recycle Horlicks or Boost bottle into a beautiful specs holder plus pen holder. So let's get started. Take any empty plastic container. I'm just repurposing empty health drink bottles. I just marked to about 10 to 12 centimeter because I'm going to cut that. You can use any empty container like this. So to cut the plastic, I'm going to heat the knife using any candles. And then I'm going to cut it so that you can easily cut the plastic. Be careful while working with hot and sharp objects. I told you that it is going to be a specs holder, so draw like this and cut so that it can hold the specs. Heat the knife and cut a small rectangle portion at both ends, so that you will get some space to hold the specs. Repeat for the other side too. Make sure specs or your coolers exactly fit into the container. I'm going to cover the plastic container with air dry clay. This step is to increase the strength of the container, and also it adds weight to the plastic container. Now take some air dry clay, dust it with some talcum powder, make it flat. Now apply Fevicryl to the container and then start covering. Do comment, subscribe and support me. Share my videos to your friends and family who might be interested in crafting or would love to watch my kind of crafts. Check description box to know about the materials I use. Cover and press it like this. Since the edges are very sharp, I'm going to cover the top edges. Just apply Fevicryl and fold the excess clay towards inside. Cover the empty spaces, roll some clay, apply Fevicryl and fix it. Use water and Fevicryl to blend the clay. Cover the edges like this because we are going to place specs there. Use water and Fevicryl to blend the clay. Now take some Fevicryl and water. Use both to smooth the surface and also the edges. Now let's make nose and lips for the specs holder so that it looks like a human face. Take some clay, roll it. Just shape it to a conical shape. Press it at one end like this. Now apply Fevicryl to the container and place like this. To add some facial features, I'm going to add moustache. So take some clay, roll it, press it at the center and shape at both ends like this. Now take any sharp tool and make textures. Now apply Fevicryl and fix it to the container and adjust the shape. For lips, take some clay, just shape it like this and stick it. Now let it dry. This clay takes about 45 minutes to dry completely. Once dried completely, you have to give 2 coats of white acrylic color. All colors I use are acrylic colors of Fevicryl company. Just give 2 coats of acrylic color as a base coat. So this is after giving 2 coats of white acrylic. So you have this much space to hold your stationeries. I have given black acrylic for the moustache and red color for the lips. And you're done. Beautiful specs holder plus pen holder is ready to use. Now here you can place your specs, and this is how it looks. Now you got some space here to hold your pens and other stationery items. Today I recycled empty plastic container into an useful craft. For more videos like this, do subscribe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye bye.